How to attach Google Drive file to email. Now, in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is try to compose a new mail first. And then from here, what we're going to do is just fill in all of the things here. For example, we have the receiver, we have the subject right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to call it a file from G Drive. All right, and then you can go ahead and fill in here the body as well. Now let's go ahead to the topic. All you have to do really is just click this one right here. So this is different from attaching files from your PC. As you can see, it says insert files using Google Drive. And then from this point forward, you can just go ahead and open your desired folder, say for example this one, and then you can go ahead and select which one you'd like to attach. You can select one, you can definitely multiple select as well. Now what you are going to do is just click this one right here, add as an attachment, or you can go ahead and add this as a link in order for you to redirect them to your Google Drive files. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this as an attachment just like so, and you should be able to see all of them in here. And yeah, from this point forward, you can just go ahead and send this to your recipient, and that is how easy it is, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to attach Google Drive file to email.